This is the unboxing video for my new, I call it a ghetto blaster. It's for music. I like to go down to the river and I wanted something that was waterproof. And this is water resistant. Of course, you really shouldn't have a lot of water around music makers or electric things. This is also supposed to be able to charge my iPhone off too, so I'm pretty excited. Okay. You are going to be seeing exactly as I see it come out of the box. This is what's called an unboxing. There we go. Let's see what's in there, huh? Okay. What I do when I have things that are padded like this, I very gently slide them sideways because you want to make sure that there's no problem. Here we go. All right. There's the user manual, which is the first one I usually look for. We'll set this over off to the side like that. Take the ends off. Very well packed. Okay. Now, let's get it out of the bag. There's no scratches or anything. Oh, good touch. It looks like it's really well made. And there's the brand name. It's a BUGANI. There's the front. Okay, here we go. When you get it out of the bag, you want to know, okay, what does it do? How hard is it to be able to get it to do it? Is it sturdy? Is it going to last a long time? So the first thing we read on this is that it is a waterproof wireless speaker. And that is what you really need down at the river because you don't want to have to plug it into something. Okay, so power bank out charging. Tells you where everything is on the side of it. Let's have a look at where that is. Oh, here we go. Okay. On, off. All right, back to the manual. Here we go. Put that where you can see it. There we go. Okay. It's got a TF card slot. It has a charging indicator, auxiliary in, power bank. Okay. Indicator light, red, blue, and violet, tells you what they're for. Product features. The output is 50 watts. Okay, here's what we're looking for. Here's the unboxing. Wireless speaker, one piece. User manual, one piece. Micro USB charging card, one piece. And the auxiliary cable. All right, so let's look for those things. There we go. We've got this should be the cable and the power cord. Can you see that? Right here. They're pretty standard, right? Take the tip off of here, that it's USB. Okay, take the tip off of here. There you go. And then we've got, that's usually sound. Okay, all right, so we also have a full-time service warranty. I'm going to put a link below where I got this from. Let's see if there's anything else the manual can tell us, okay? Oh, yep, there's your wireless pairing instructions, wireless stereo connection, care and maintenance, limited warranty. This isn't a whole lot to read. It's pretty simple, straightforward. This looks like it's really well made. It feels good in my hands. It's heavy, but it's not too heavy. Okay, up or plus, less, forward. Okay. The one thing I'm looking for is where do I plug in? From the back, should be in here somewhere. I want to know where I plug this in to charge my phone when I'm down at the beach. I saw it online, so let's go back to the manual. That's what the manual's for. Okay, here we go. And it's showing you, okay, it shows you what all these things are for. That's pretty simple. There's your page right there that shows you exactly what they're for. Okay. And let's go over here again. Okay, back to here. Okay, right here it's showing you there's an out. That's where your card goes, and in. So it has to be on this side. Oh, duh. Don't you love it? Here it is. Hang on. That's right. Come on, Skippy. There we go. Okay, Mommy's happy now. Let me take this off the stand so I can show it to you better. That's where everything goes, is in here. And here's where my USB cord is going to go. Right there. Ta-da! Awesome. And here's where these are going to go, right here. We are good. All right. Now I'm happy. I really think this is a good quality product. It's going to be really fun to be able to take it down to the river. Now, like I said, this is an unboxing video. This is not a sound video. So that's something else you're going to see in some of the other videos. And this is the box that it comes in. It tells you all the things about it, what you can charge with it. And I'm going to say, so far as I've gone now, I'm going to give it like a 5-star rating out of 5 because I really like it. And like I said, I'm going to put a link down below to where you can get this online.